What is up, guys? It's your boy RS Fishing. Today I got something really cool for you guys. Yesterday my dad took us on a fishing charter on Lake Michigan, and we caught some king salmon and lake trout. So while we were there, the people that took us on the charter, they prepared the king salmon for us, but I asked them to leave a lake trout so I could fillet it and prepare it for you guys and show you how to do that. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the clip from yesterday. Got some beautiful clips, super cool. And then, hey, we're going to do a catch and cook. So, yeah, roll the clip from yesterday.
That's a king. That's a king.
I think so, yeah. Okay guys, so I just got this just lake trout right here, right in this bag. We put this in here last night because we don't want to freeze it, but we also want to keep it cold. So let's get it out. Let me put the camera right here. Okay. So guys, this is the fish right here. Almost frozen, so we're going to let this guy thaw out for a little bit. Really a beautiful fish. So yeah, we're gonna let this guy thaw out for quite a while, and then I'll get back to you with a fillet knife, and we're about to cook some fish. So yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, so it's gotten a little bit warmer and he's not as frozen anymore. Beautiful fish. I'm going to show you guys how to fillet this, and then we're going to put some spices on it and cook it over a fire. So let's start this up. So I just started and I made a little cut right here, and then you're going to twist your knife and start to go into the fish and just slide along its body. That's really good. Okay, so right here, really nice fillet. Very good. So once I get the second fillet off, I'm going to show you guys how to skin this fish. Okay, so let's put this guy over, and we'll do this side now. So right behind this fin right here, I'm going to make a cut. There we go. Slide the angle of your knife and just cut right down here. Here we go, right here. Another really nice fillet. So we're gonna skin these and then we will start to cook them. And so I'm going to show you guys how I like to skin these. So yeah, pretty much what I like to do is make a little cut right back here until you hit the skin, and then slide your knife along here. Take the skin with your hand. Once you get a nice little bit, take the skin with your hand and just slide along the skin. Just so you get all the skin off, because you don't really want the skin. So yeah, the filet's looking really nice. Okay guys, really nice first fillet right here, looking really good. So now you just have some skin here, right here. Pretty much do whatever you want with it. I'm just gonna throw it away. And now on to the second one. Okay guys, so right now we're looking at two really nice fillets. I'm gonna show you guys how to pretty much prepare them so they taste really good. So yeah, let's get right to it. Okay guys, so I'm back with these fillets. I just washed them off and I put them in this like kind of tinfoil little bowl kind of thing, tray. You don't need this, you can just make it out of tinfoil, but I like this because it kind of keeps everything together. Pretty much this is what we're gonna need. So right in here, we're gonna need lemon, butter, oil, pretty much any oil, and spices. You can pretty much use whatever spices you want, but I'm just gonna be pretty much using a lot of spices. So I'll show you guys what's in here. We have garlic powder, sea salt, chili lime seasoning, lemon pepper, and some cayenne. So we are going to start. Okay guys, so we are going to start by putting some canola oil inside of it. Putting a little bit on them. Okay. Rub this around. Okay guys, so next we are going to put some chili lime seasoning blend right on these. Okay, so now that we got that on there, we're gonna put some lemon pepper on it. So this is pepper and lemon, so it should be pretty simple. So we don't need to put pepper on it. All we need is salt. Got that. And now we are going to put the garlic powder in. So we're putting a lot of seasoning on this fish because it tastes really good with a bunch of different seasonings. Then we are going to finish it off with some salt, and this will be pretty much just the pepper bit. Okay guys, so that is that. All we need now is the lemon and the butter. So let's start with the butter knife. Let's open up this butter. We're gonna put a lot of butter on these, so makes it taste so good. It's pretty much the motto. So now that we got all that butter in there, it's gonna cook really nicely. We can never forget about the lemon, the most important part. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Now we're gonna just keep the lemons in there just so it tastes a little bit more lemony. And so now what we can do is we can get our takeout. And cover this up. Okay, so now that that's covered up, we're gonna want to put some holes in it. Okay guys, the lake trout is on right now. Probably gonna give it a few more minutes. You can hear all the juices in there flowing, so it's really good. So I'll come back when I take it out and we're ready to eat. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so been in there for about 12 minutes. I think we're about done. So I'm gonna take it out and give it a nice little taste test. So let's get to that real quick. So let me set up the camera right here. I haven't really thought about how I'm gonna take it out yet. So we finally got this out. I'm gonna take off the foil and see how it looks. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. The sauce just looks beautiful. Look at that. It smells amazing. So let's just take a quick little test. I think we cooked it perfectly. Super easy to come off. White meat. That's amazing. I like pretty much everything about it. We put just enough spices on. The butter makes it taste really well. Oh guys, it's just amazing. Sometimes you just gotta go for it. Put on all the butter, put on all the sauce. It just makes it taste amazing. So, guys, thanks so much for watching my first catch and cook. And if all the fish taste like this, definitely will not be my last. So yeah, guys, I'm up here, up North Hamlin Lake. Walleye, pike, bass, large, small, pretty much everything. Whatever you guys want me to do, because we still have a week here, so whatever you guys want me to do, just comment down below. Whether it's fishing for walleye, bass, whatever. Still trying to go for my first ever pike. Haven't caught one of those yet. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going for it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my giveaway last video, my 50 subscriber giveaway. And I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning in. It has been RS Fishing.